A very cheerful morning, students. Students, welcome back to your English class. Students, in this class, we will continue with chapter 4 articles of our grammar book. Let's first remember what we have already learnt previously. Students, we have learnt what is article. Article are the words which we use before noun and the words which modifies noun. A, an, and the are the article. Now, article can be categorized as definite articles and indefinite article, where the is the definite article and a and an are the indefinite article. Now, a article is used before the consonant sound, like a book, a European, and an article is used before a vowel sound, like an apple and an R. Now students, the link is in the description of the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video yet, please watch that. Now in this video, we will just learn about the definite articles. Now, pronunciation of definite article the. When it is used before vowel sound, before the words which start with a vowel sound, we will say the America, the apple, the onion. Similarly, if it is used before a consonant sound, we will say the big apple, the rounded onion. Okay. Now, 5 important uses of article the. First use, it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, he has a girl, the girl wants to become a doctor. Now, firstly we have said a girl and then we have said the girl because we are talking about the same girl which we have already mentioned in the first sentence. Now, I ate an apple. The apple was sweet. Similarly, and firstly we have used an and then we have specified about which apple we are talking. That's why we inserted the. Now, second use, it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. For example, my father enjoyed the book you gave me, him. So here we are specifying the same book which your father gave. Now let's go to the park. We have specifying the park. So we have used the here. So when you are specifying anything, you will use the. Now the third use is, it is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. We are not talking about any cow. We are talking about the whole class of the cow. So we have used the. Similarly, the cat loves comfort. We are talking about whole group of class or whole group of cat. Okay. Now, the fourth use. It is used before some proper nouns. For example, oceans and seas. The Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea. Rivers like the Ganga, the Nile. Deserts like the Sahara Desert. Groups of islands like the West Indies. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas. And holy books like the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible. So these all are the proper noun and we have to use the article before any proper noun. Now, fifth use. It is used to refer people or object that are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the ocean, the sea. So these all are the unique, means these all are one in our world and that's why we have to use the article here. Okay students, I think all the uses of the are clear to you and let's quick revise what we have learnt in this video. Students, firstly we have used about the learnt about the pronunciation of the. It is varies for the varies use. Now, and the nextly we have learned 5 important uses of the article and then we have learnt the first use, that is it is used to refer to something which I was already mentioned, and the second use, it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing, and the third use, it is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class, and the fourth is it is used before some proper noun. Okay students. Now the fifth is it is used to refer to people or object that are unique. So students, I hope all the things are clear to you. If you find any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye. Take care.